Tour groups and traditional guides used to be just boring. But COVID-19 made these guides obsolete overnight. Tourists don't want to mingle with crowds in a tour group or use an unhygienic audio guide anymore. People still want to travel, but not like before. The SmartGuide app turns a traveler's phone into an engaging and safe personal guide. It guides visitors outside of the crowds like a live guide and tells them interesting stories about the place they visit. Your destination will be featured among day trips from nearby cities. When a visitor arrives at your destination, she'll receive a notification that she can be smart guided around. If she did not use SmartGuide in one of the previous 400 destinations, you can help her by placing smart links on posters, tickets, and a website. With a simple click on a link or scanning a QR code, SmartGuide app will install and automatically open your relevant guide. If you're providing content in multiple languages, we will automatically display the user's preferred language first, and she can change at any time. Before setting off, she can download the entire guide on hotel Wi-Fi, so she can even explore without an internet connection. She can then choose a recommended smart tour, put on her headphones, and embark on a journey. With routes clearly marked on a map, it is easy to follow. On an iPhone, she can also view the route and points of interest in augmented reality. Her mundane journey will be transformed into an immersive experience with stories about the places she visits that play automatically at the right place based on GPS.
Water has always played an important role in the fortress.
And if the recommended tour doesn't suit her, she can check out all available places of interest and bookmark her favorites. SmartGuide learns her preferences and, over time, gives more relevant personalized recommendations. Turn-by-turn navigation shows her the fastest way to any place. She can also wander freely around the destination where the wind blows, and when she approaches an interesting place, SmartGuide will offer to tell her a story about it.
The square has always been the center of the fortress.
It is like having a tour guide by your side during your entire visit. Finally, she will learn about special offers and important information that you can send directly to all of your visitors. It is really that simple. She explores at her own pace and has a full guide for her trip conveniently in her phone, and, by avoiding crowded tour groups, she'll feel safe and comfortable. Would you like to have more like her among your customers?